Just gotta get back into the car. Forgot to put my hood prop away.
Till I'm on for the respect. Yeah, never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's bitch black. I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen more.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be part 2, the R8 CoilPack swaps. So, last time we were gonna make a harness from here and then do something with the ICM. Things didn't really go out as planned and it was becoming more time consuming. So what I did is I went ahead and bought these. It's a 4-pin, 3-pin. So this will fit here perfectly and then go right to the R8 coil pack or whatever coil pack you're using. So it is a bit windy out here, so please excuse the wind. What happened here was, you know, we ran out of time. I wasn't really trying to hack up the harness and it got a little hacked up, you know, with this whole coronavirus. Nobody really has much time lately, so, you know, I went ahead and bought the jumpers for the swap. So I'm gonna get started on that and then get right back to you. Alrighty then. So once you have them on, it should look something like this. And another thing that's very helpful is on this adapter here. Once it focuses. On this adapter here, it has the exact pin out so that you don't put it wrong in this on this unit here. So it's never backwards. So this, follow this pin out here with the inside of this. It'll have it on the little clip. And then now we're gonna seat these here, and they're gonna go right into the coil pack. This is the coil pack that we're using, as in the last video. So we'll drop that in. That's if it fits. Come on, you fit last time, bud. Alright, so we'll seat that down. I believe it's seated. I'm pretty sure it's seated. Yeah. So it feels like it's seated. Now, once you get your coil pack in, you're gonna want to use your adapter here. You want to plug that bad boy in. Boom, you'll hear it click. And then we'll get cracking on this right here. So I got them all in. They're not all completely seated, but I just wanted to show you how it would all line up. So just make sure that you're using the right one. So this would be this one here. And then that would clip into here, like so. Boom, and then, you know. I'll also insert a picture of what the harness, this part of the harness looked like before we decided not to go that route. This basically bypasses the ignition control module. So, you know, plugs in from here and then goes into that one down there. Alright, so what I did here, if it focuses, okay. So my ICM was just like zip tied to some of the harness here. So drop it. Yeah, so we don't need that no more. Not where we're going. A little sketchy because one of the pins on one of these sides are missing, but I don't know if that's part of the delete. But I mean, I guess we'll find out. All right, this is the moment of truth. Will she start up? Look, here we go. Survey says no. Alright, stand by. Okay, so we have power now. So the battery wasn't tightened down all the way. So let's try this one more time. And the survey says, damn, do I have a dead bat? Damn, this sucks. All right, third time's a charm. Hold on. Third time's a charm. Let's go. Okay, it started. It's running. It's squeaky. Yeah. I wonder if I need that ground anymore. Got good vacuum. Nice. All right, so there you have it. We got the R8 coil packs in. We got the adapters and the delete, the goodies that's on it. KO4, full exhaust, blah blah blah. Check out the channel. I mean, all in all, I'm satisfied with how it looks. Not bad. Looks pretty good. All right, there you have it. It's all done. I might end the video here, or I might actually go take it for a pull. So fucking stay tuned. Was gonna do a poll today to add to the video, but yeah, it's fucking shitty out. You know, it's raining. It's been nothing but rain every day. So next video I'll upload this setup getting down, maybe with some Audis. We'll see how this Volkswagen hangs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Chill more for the respect. Yeah, never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's pitch black. I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen, boy.